Bugatti's Tourbillon is not just a car, it's a mechanical poem that screams speed and craft. Every line, gear, and button feels earned, like an artisan's signature on metal. From the sound to the way your hand finds the wheel, this car asks for respect and gives a raw, pure driving joy few machines can match. It is bold, design, and craftsmanship. The Tourbillon is a work of art. Its shape is bold and clean. Metal meets glass and fine leather in a way that feels deliberate. Inside, Bugatti used ideas from high-end watchmaking, tiny parts, polished surfaces, and a clear sense of order make the cabin feel like a precision instrument. The controls are made to be touched. Nothing hides behind a screen. The center parts are made from machined metal and crystal. Even the seats hug you with careful stitching and strong side support for quick turns. Small details keep rewarding your eye and hand. Power and performance. Under the skin lies a wild heart, a new V16 engine helped by 3 electric motors. Together, they push power well past anything most of us will ever feel on road. Acceleration is fierce, and the engine sings at high revs. The hybrid system also gives strong, low-end torque for quick starts. Bugatti aims for huge numbers in speed and grip while keeping the car balanced on corners. You can feel the change in push as the electric help kicks in, and the engine's voice stays clear even at high revs. These mixes of petrol and electric make the car both explosive and composed, the pure driving feel. This car wants the driver to be in charge. The instruments are mostly analog, and the steering gives clear feedback. You sense weight shifts, grip, and balance like a live animal under you. The lack of heavy driver aids in some modes means you can feel every change in the road. The wheel design keeps the dials in view and keeps your focus on driving. On normal roads, the car can be calm, but when you ask it for speed, the Tourbillon sharpens and responds without delay. The direct response and clear signals make driving both fun and honest. Clever engineering and lightweight. Bugatti used new methods to save weight and add strength. Parts of the frame are made from advanced T800 carbon composite, and some suspension pieces use 3D printing and AI design. The battery sits in the car structure in a way that adds stiffness and saves mass elsewhere. Small gains in weight mean faster response, sharper handling, and better braking. The team also used forged aluminum and careful hollow sections to cut weight where it matters. These choices help the car feel alive and fast while keeping the structure strong and precise. Rarity, price, and meaning. Only a small number of Tourbillons will be made, and each one will cost in the millions. That makes it not just a car, but a rare object to collect and admire. Buyers will get a deep level of handwork and custom detail that you do not see in normal cars. The brand limits production to keep the car special and to keep value high. For many owners, the car is a piece of history and a show of skill in design and engineering. Even as a story, the Tourbillon stands for how far craft and speed can go together. In short, the Tourbillon is a mix of art and raw power, honoring old craft while using new tools, offering a clear and honest thrill that few cars reach, and standing as a bold proof of human skill and engineering. Thank you for watching. Please hit the like button and tell us which part of the Tourbillon surprised you most. Don't forget to subscribe for more valuable insights. If you enjoyed this look, expect more deep reviews soon that explore rare cars, new tech, and bold design. Stay tuned and keep asking the big questions about speed, craft, and beauty.